Like and subscribe in the next 5 seconds or bald man will wake up in your bed. Over here I have a Tanqr video ready to watch.
Leave a like and subscribe in the next 3.2 seconds, or this foreign Cletus will wake up in your bed. I know I'm not taking any chances.
That was a good intro. I want my intro to be as good as that. Let me quickly make one. Let me open my free version of VideoPad. Yes, I am poor, so get me monetized keyed so I can get the real one and do kit and battle pass giveaways. Let me get the file. Now time to get the robot voice. Finished. Now let me time it with the video. Like and subscribe in the next 5 seconds or bald man will wake up in your bed. Now I shall cut out the part I don't need. There is my intro. I already watched this video. I will watch his newest one that I want to rewatch again. Here it goes.
Hey, do you want to save money when you shop online? You should click right here.
Get out of here, honey.
And
I gonna skip
Honey.
this ad
No,
about
no, no, no,
honey.
no, no. Don't click there.
Alright, so in
The
today's
world's
video, I
mightiest
enchanted
laptop.
Vanessa and all. Watch it to see how overpowered the bows are when they're enchanted. I hope you guys enjoy. Leave a like and
My
subscribe
favorite
in the next
part,
3.2
the intro.
seconds, or this will wake up in your bed. I know I'm not taking any chances.
He changed his intro. How dare he? I took the time to make a copy of his intro, then he changed it. How rude. I shall unsubscribe to you. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and have a good day.